everybody, welcome to my channel. I am so excited for CVS, you guys. I haven't had this much coupons in a very long time. I use as many CRTs as I have. This is awesome. I'm very happy. I also spent an hour and a half in CVS, but that's okay. But I am extremely happy with my haul. So I'm just gonna dig in and share with you guys what I got, and I was pretty excited. So I had a 10 off of 70 CRT that I had printed with my receipt from last week, so I really wanted to use that. Now, when you have those, that CRT, like right now I have a 4 off of 40 for my next purchase, you cannot combine those with the spend, or like, you know, I have a 2 off of 10 and a 2 off of 12 lotion. You can't use those unless you are buying $70 worth of stuff and then you have an additional stuff, if it's not confusing. But you can never combine the like money off of money with some of those deals. So I just did them in separate transactions, one for my 10 off of 70 and then everything else. But I'm here to share with you guys my haul. So the first deal I did was the shampoo and conditioner deal. My store only had the conditioner, and I really wanted to try the shampoo, but this is the Dream Length Curls. So these were 2 for $8. I had a 4 off of 2 insert coupon. You'd pay $4, then you get a $2 extra care buck back, making these $2. And then I had the L'Oreal, or the Garnier Fructis. These were 2 for $7. I used a 4 off of 2. You'd pay $3. You get that $1 extra care buck, making these just $2 again. And then I saw that the John Frieda was on sale for $6.99. And I actually had 2 John Frieda CRTs, one that was expiring today and then a new one for this week. So I'm like, I'm gonna use that. And then there's also a $1 rebate with Ibotta for this one. So what I ended up doing is I had a 4 off of 18 CRT. So I bought all 5 of these. It came to $21.99. I had the 2 $4 off of 2 for the Garnier and the L'Oreal. I used the 4 off of 18 CRT, and then I used the 2 $3 off CRTs from for the John Frieda. So I paid $3.99 for these, but you get a $2 extra care buck for, or you get a $1 extra care buck for the Garnier, and then you get a $2 extra care buck for the L'Oreal, and you don't get anything for this. But these all came out to be for free with that $1 rebate with Ibotta. So I was super excited. Got all 5 of those things for free. So then I had a couple of the L'Oreal Age Perfect CRTs. And I'm like, oh, let's just scan and see what we have. So we have the L'Oreal Age Perfect. And I have the L'Oreal Ideal Clean. This is something, I use this all the time in the shower. But anyways, this was $4.99 and this was $26.49. I had a $4 off digital coupon for this one, and I had a $2 off digital coupon for this one. I had a 6 off of 24 L'Oreal facial CRT, and then I had a $4 and $5 CRT for this for the Age Perfect. So for both of these I paid $10.48. But then you get a $10 extra care buck back, making these both just 48 cents. That is awesome. 48 cents. 26 bucks to 48 cents. Yes, we will do that. Then the next deal I did was the Maybelline. Now, I totally messed up. I didn't make my total the 5 off of 20, and we ended up having to do something anyway. So I'm like, well, I'm going to go put the other ones I had back, and I got these ones instead. So this was $10.29. No, this was $9.99. This was $10.29. I had 2 different $2 off coupons that I used. I had a 5 off of 20 Maybelline CRT, and then I also had the $3 off CRT. The $3 CRT was not working at all. They ended up having to adjust the price. Well, then they adjusted the price, and then my extra care buck did not print out, so they had to print out an extra care buck. So these 2 items were a pain in the butt. But anyways, you would pay $8.28 for the both of these, but then you get that $5 extra care buck, making these $3.28. So not the greatest deal, but hey, just wanted to share with you that one. Then I ended up getting the Aquaphor lotion and the Eucerin lotion. So the Aquaphor was this was $15.49, and this was $6.79. I used a $3 off coupon for the Aquaphor, and I used a $3 off coupon for the Glucerna. I had a 3 off of 10 CRT, and I also had a 2 off of 12 CRT. So that means you can use both of these as long as you have $22 worth of extra, $22 worth of product. And I did, so that was the reason why I used that. But you'd pay $11.28 for this. You get $10 back, making this. I lost my spot. Why did I lose my spot? Really? Where am I right? I was just, okay, $1.28 or 64 cents. When Grandma's with me, I mess up because then he just sits there and laughs at me, and he's just a butt. It's every time you're near me, Graham.
Do I make you nervous?
No, you just are a butt. Ugh. Okay, so the next bag, if you guys are interested, I am doing a giveaway with my Walmart haul. You just have to check out my Walmart haul, but I'm giving 3 bags away that are very similar to this, so you just have to watch the video and see what the secret code word is. But anyways, I got the Glucerna snack bars, I got the mini treats, and then I also got the snack ones. My store only had one of these, so I got that. But these, this was $6.79, and this was $5.99. I used 2 $3 off coupons that we got from today's inserts. I had a $2.50 off of 2 Glucerna CRT. You would pay $4.28 for the both of these, but then you get a $5 extra care buck back, making it 72 cents. Here, you can sit in your chair. 28-cent moneymaker. So we got that. No, 72-cent moneymaker.
There you go again.
You messed me up again, Graham. Okay, so here we got the Garnier wipes. These were $6.79 at buy one get one 50% off. Sorry, you're gonna hear screaming in the background. You want to use a $2 off insert coupon. There was no digitals, so you'd pay $8.18 for this. But then you get a $5 extra care buck back, making this $3.18 or $1.59 if you want to use those. Now here is a deal that I'm super excited for. It is the Tom's deodorant and the Tom's toothpaste. Now I only had one of the printable coupons and I didn't have a digital, so this is how I did it. So each of these were $5.99 and I used one printable coupon. You would end up, and then I had a $2 off mouthwash CRT for Tom's, and I had a $2 off deodorant CRT. So I ended up using those. Paid $6.98, but you get $2 back and $2 back in an extra care buck. And you get $1.20 for the deodorant and $1.20 for the toothpaste with Ibotta. Your total ends up becoming a 58 cents. 58 cents for 2 of these. I mean, that's crazy, and they're both originally $7.99. I did have a snack item, and I totally forgot to check to see if it came off. But I had a $3 off, no, that one didn't work. Oh, okay. I had a $3 off snack CRT, so this was $3.59. So I ended up using, this is my old receipt. I ended up using that. I'm like, why does it say that for? But, hold on, I just want to look at my one receipt. I didn't even look to see if it came off. It usually does. Yeah, $3 off. So I just got this for 59 cents. I thought that was a pretty good deal. I was just trying to find something that I was craving. So I ended up doing the CoverGirl deal. The CoverGirl is $6.99 for the mascara and the eyeshadow, and then also for the eyebrow pencils. So I used 3 $2 off coupons. I used 2 paper and 1 digital. And then I had a $3 off CRT. You'd pay $14.97, but then you get a $10 extra care buck back, making it $4.97 or just $1.65. So I was thinking in my head it was gonna be a better deal, but those are the cheapest items that I have. And then I bought the NYX lip products. These were $4.29. I had a $2 off CRT for NYX and a $3 off CRT. I ended up paying $3.58 for both of these, but then you get $6 back, making this a $2.42 moneymaker. So it makes up for the other makeup that I got. And then the last deal I have is the Cetaphil wipes. These were $8.49. These were not on sale, there's no deal for it, but I had CRTs that I wanted to use. So I had 2 $5 CRTs. I had one from last week and one for this week, so I had two $5 off of 2 CRTs, and then I also had a $4 CRT that was expiring also. So I used that, just paid $2.98 for the both of these, but you get $1.50 back and $1.50 back with Ibotta. So these come out to be for free. So they're not even on sale, but I still got them for free, and that's what I like. So you got to pay attention to those CRTs that you can use. So and then included with my total, I ended up having that $10 off of 70. I needed to spend $3 more to get the $10 off of 70, and I'm like, okay, what can I get? So I ended up adding the Garnier wipes to make up for it. So, and I'm glad I did, because that was 10 bucks. So my total altogether came to $3.31. I ended up using $54 worth of extra care bucks, and my thing is try to get as much back as what you spent. So, but I did better. I got $58 back of extra care bucks. With Ibotta, I received $6.40. I had 4 Ibotta rebates. I also finished the Weekend Warrior. I just needed one more rebate, so I ended up getting $3 back for the Weekend Warrior. So my grand total came to be a $10.09 moneymaker. I got everything for free and I made a profit. I saved $191.64. That is awesome, but I'm pretty happy with my haul. I'm excited. But if you guys can let me know by giving this video a big thumbs up, thanks for watching, and I will see you guys next time. See you later. Bye-bye.